Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, for today's vlog, another unlimited seafood dito sa may Mexico, Pampanga yung pupuntahan natin.
Ako guys, na-surprise ako basing from the, the place. Ang sarap, quality food. And dito, sa may Mexico, Pampanga, meron ng unlimited seafood.
So for only 599 pesos, makakapag-unlimited seafood ka na. And take note, dito lang yan sa Sabanilla, Mexico, Pampanga.
Guys, so this is Kuya J-Ar Steak and Seafood. And we're gonna show you guys kung ano yung sinerve nila sa amin. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Look at our table. Sobrang grabe. Dami nito guys. So again, this is Kuya J-R's Steak and Seafood. Uy, meron pa.
Calamares.
Go, bro, get it.
So this is part of their appetizer. Yan. So ito yung kanilang calamares. At the same time, kung kayo naghahanap ng unlimited seafood, available sila dito for only 599 pesos, unlimited na. Sa table natin, meron tayong dalawang flavor, yung Cajun and yung chili garlic.
Buffalo wings. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, syempre, umpisa natin yan sa alligator rice nila. Ayan, no? Magandang partner to, syempre, sa kanilang mga seafood. Ayun. Meron din silang mga
Additional sauce na, bro.
additional sauce tayo dyan. Tignan muna natin sa kanilang seafood.
Yun.
Cajun.
So, ito naman yung kanilang baby back ribs. Look at this. Kung nagkukulangan kayo sa sauce, which is sobrang dami na. Ooh. You know? Wow. Okay, tingnan natin to. Yun naman ha, boy. Actually, meron siyang kakaibang aroma. I think dun sa sauce nila. Ayan.
Okay, so bulalo. Wow.
So available din dito guys, and mga nag-trending na butterfly squid. Ito yon, sampulan natin dito. Oh, nasa baba. Ah, yun just like that. Surprisingly, hindi siya malansa. Tapos yung sauce, it's a little bit citrusy. So refreshing siya.
Calamares.
All at once, bro?
Yeah. Another one. This is their steak kebab. So, meron siyang lemon sa sa dulo. So, siguro 4 squeezes to. Siyempre. Yung sauce nila.
Alright, so yun guys, last is na mga pinrepare nila para sa amin is this buffalo wings. Again, this is a la carte, available po siya. Oh, look at the size. Ang lalaki. Wow, mainit-init pa. Mainit-init pa guys. Ooh. No, you know what? Surprisingly, quality ng food is superb. Sarap. Right?
Alright!
Grabe, Mark.
Actually, napaka-surprising ng mga pagkain.
Yes. And sulit na sulit yung pagdayo natin.
Yes, so Kuya J-Ar Steak and Seafood Restaurant is located dito sa may Fiesta Community, Sabanilla, Mexico, Pampanga.
Guys, they are open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And you can actually enjoy, again, unlimited seafood. I have to emphasize that, unlimited seafood. Ang dalang lang ng mga ganyan.
Yes, so ngayon available na dito sa Mexico.
Yep.
You don't need to go somewhere else. Dito meron na.
If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.